Katuning wala pong kapalit na halaga yung amin pong pagperma at convene ng impeachment court. I think we really have to wait kung anong magiging position ng ating Senado ngayon, considering that we have transmitted already the impeachment complaint, no? From our end, ginawa po namin yung aming trabaho. We endorsed by 215 members of the House. We transmitted the impeachment complaint. At ika nga po, ang bola ngayon ay nasa sa Senado. And for us, the members of the prosecution team, all we have to do is to wait kung ano pong magiging posisyon ng Senado. If they will convene, they will take their oath as judges of the impeachment court. If this happen, ibig sabihin, immediately po ay isasagawa ng impeachment process or trial.
Kung sa June 2 po mangyayari, kung sakaling mag-decide ngayon ang Senate na adjourn na tayo, sa June 2 na lang, magbabago din ng composition ng Senado, ng mga possible, ng mga magiging hukom o judges, senator judges na tinatawag. Kayo po bilang piskal, bilang prosecutors, wala ho bang bearing sa inyo yan? Kaya ninyong ipanalo ang kaso kahit
election or after the election, I think it does not make any difference. We have to be ready to present our case, to lay down our evidence, and it is up to the impeachment court whether they will appreciate the evidence as enough to warrant the impeachment of the Vice President, no? Jerry?